The pain was in my hip joint. It stopped such a routine part of my lifestyle. I wanted something close to me where I lived and where my family could come and visit. And I wanted somebody who knew what they were doing. I had total hip replacement. I've never gone into surgery with so much confidence and assurance as I did going into surgery with my dear friend, Dr. Finnis. The whole line of service for surgery to rehab was just so consistent. It was the best experience ever. I am 2 months out of surgery, but I'm swimming and I'm walking and, all of those little small steps of achievement are milestones in terms of success. I'm gonna tell you, I've had grandbabies and they call me Pappy. To have their Pappy back means everything to them, and if they're happy, I'm happy.